The Mi-12 was created in the Soviet Union during the 1960s under the guidance of Mikhail Mil, the head of the Mil Design Bureau. The primary purpose behind its creation was to fulfill the need for a robust helicopter that could handle the transportation of substantial cargo and even have the capability to carry ballistic missiles. The Mi-12 is widely recognized as the largest helicopter ever constructed. The sheer magnitude of its dimensions stands as a testament to the remarkable engineering prowess of the Soviet Union. This particular helicopter features a unique design with two oversized main rotors positioned in tandem, one in front of the other. The V-12 has an impressive rotor diameter of 35 meters and a length of 37 meters. To put this into perspective, the largest contemporary helicopters, like the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion, have a rotor diameter of around 24 meters. The Mi-12 boasts an impressive payload capacity, making it stand out among other aircraft. This remarkable machine was ingeniously engineered to be capable of effortlessly hoisting weights of up to 25 metric tons. This capability made it ideal for transporting large equipment and even military vehicles. The V-12 was powered by 4 powerful turbojet engines, providing the necessary thrust to lift its immense weight and payload capacity. The engines were positioned above the fuselage, nestled between the rotor systems. The prototype of the Mi-12, designated as the V-12, made its maiden flight on July 10, 1968. The flight was a remarkable milestone in helicopter engineering, demonstrating the practicality of constructing such an immense aircraft. During its testing phase, the Mi-12 achieved numerous world records. These records included the heaviest payload lifted to an altitude of 2,000 meters and the highest altitude achieved by a helicopter carrying a 40-ton payload. While the V-12 was primarily developed for civilian and heavy lift purposes, it also garnered attention from the military due to its potential as a strategic transport aircraft. There were even discussions about modifying it to carry and launch ballistic missiles. Despite its impressive capabilities, only 2 prototypes of the Mi-12 were ever built. The project encountered many obstacles, such as financial limitations and the evolving preferences of the Soviet military. The Mi-12, despite never entering mass production or seeing widespread use, stands as a lasting testament to the remarkable ingenuity and ambitious spirit of Soviet aviation engineers. This aircraft's impressive accomplishments and extraordinary scale still captivate aviation enthusiasts today. Although the Mi-12 didn't have the lasting impact that many had hoped for, it made a significant mark on aviation history. It demonstrated the incredible possibilities that arise when innovation and engineering expertise combine to push the limits of flight. With impressive dimensions, the Mi-12 boasted a generously proportioned cabin that could easily accommodate a wide range of cargo arrangements. The interior offers a versatile range of customization options, catering to the transportation needs of heavy machinery, vehicles, troops, or even VIPs. Although the Mi-12 primarily emphasized heavy lift capabilities, it boasted state-of-the-art avionics for navigation, communication, and flight control. These systems played a crucial role in maintaining safe operation, particularly in adverse weather conditions or during flights at high altitudes. The V-12's tandem rotor design offered remarkable stability and lift efficiency, even when transporting substantial loads. The design's ability to minimize the need for extra stabilization mechanisms significantly contributed to its impressive performance. The Mi-12 captured the attention and admiration of people worldwide due to its remarkable accomplishments. This captivating creation made its grand debut at prestigious aerospace exhibitions and airshows across the globe, leaving aviation enthusiasts and professionals spellbound. The Mi-12 underwent extensive operational evaluations throughout its testing phase to gauge its performance in real-world scenarios. During the tests, various scenarios were simulated, including the loading and unloading of cargo and flights over different terrain and environments. The Mi-12, although not widely produced, had a significant impact on future heavy-lift helicopter projects due to its innovative design and technological advancements. In subsequent aircraft advancements, you can observe the influence of its engineering, like the tandem rotor configuration and payload capacity. After completing testing and development, the 2 prototypes of the Mi-12 were retired from active service. Nevertheless, there were dedicated efforts to safeguard these remarkable aircraft. and one notable specimen found its home in a museum, serving as a lasting tribute to its significant role in the annals of aviation. The Mi-12 stood as a testament to the remarkable engineering and innovative spirit of the Soviet Union. This aircraft's timeless shape and remarkable abilities have been showcased in numerous forms of media, such as movies, documentaries, and books, solidifying its reputation as an iconic plane. The Mi-12, known for its heavy lift capabilities, displayed an impressive range of versatility. The versatility of this aircraft allowed it to be utilized for a wide range of missions, such as transporting troops, conducting medical evacuations, performing search and rescue operations, and combating fires. In times of crisis, its remarkable adaptability proved invaluable, allowing for swift and efficient response to various urgent needs. The Mi-12 was designed to emphasize safety, ensuring that potential risks during flight operations were minimized. Among the notable features were redundant systems for critical components, crash-resistant fuel systems, and enhanced structural integrity designed to withstand even the most extreme conditions. Designed with maintenance in mind, the Mi-12 featured accessible engine bays and service panels, allowing for efficient inspection and repair procedures. Considering this design, the downtime was effectively minimized, allowing the helicopter to remain operational for extended periods. Collaboration with a range of Soviet aerospace enterprises, including engine manufacturers and research institutes, was integral to the development of the Mi-12. In addition, there were reports of interest from international partners in potential joint development projects, but it has yet to materialize beyond initial discussions. The Mi-12 took part in public demonstrations and air shows throughout the Soviet Union to display its capabilities to a larger audience. These events allowed the public and aviation enthusiasts to witness the helicopter's remarkable performance up close, solidifying its status as a true technological wonder. Although the Mi-12 did not achieve widespread operational success, its impact on the development of heavy lift helicopters is still felt today. The design and testing of this aircraft have yielded valuable insights that have propelled rotorcraft technology forward, opening up new possibilities for developing high-capacity transport aircraft in the future. The Mi-12 project's documentation, which consists of technical specifications, test reports, and photographs, has been carefully preserved in archives and museums devoted to aviation's rich history. These resources offer a wealth of knowledge about the development process and serve as a valuable reference for researchers and enthusiasts interested in studying the evolution of helicopter technology. The Mi-12 gained global recognition due to its groundbreaking accomplishments, capturing the interest of foreign governments, aerospace companies, and aviation enthusiasts. As a result of this fascination, various opportunities arose for collaboration on a global scale, fostering the exchange of technological expertise and propelling the progress of helicopter design and manufacturing across the globe. In addition to its military and commercial uses, the Mi-12 also played a vital role in humanitarian endeavors. It assisted in disaster relief, emergency response, and medical evacuations. In times of crisis, its unparalleled capacity to deliver vast amounts of supplies and equipment to remote and hard-to-reach locations proved to be an invaluable asset. The Mi-12 became a legendary figure in popular culture, making its presence known in movies, TV series, and books to represent the Soviet Union's impressive technological advancements and military strength. The aircraft's unique look and remarkable capabilities captivated people worldwide, solidifying its position in aviation history as one of the most amazing planes ever constructed. The Mi-12 is a testament to the remarkable ingenuity and exceptional engineering that has forever shaped the aviation industry. This creation's sheer magnitude, incredible capabilities, and revolutionary accomplishments never fail to evoke a sense of wonder and reverence, even long after its inception. The Mi-12's operational tenure may have been short, but its legacy symbolizes human ingenuity and the unwavering drive for technological progress in aerospace engineering. It serves as a constant reminder of the limitless potential that can be unlocked through unwavering dedication, cooperation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence in the realm of aviation.